In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Noon order history. First, open the Noon app on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on Account to access your profile and settings area. From there, open Orders. This is the section where your past purchases and current orders are listed. At this point, you'll want to check carefully to see whether your version of the app includes any option like Delete Order, Hide Order, or Clear History. These are the kinds of buttons people usually look for when trying to remove order activity from a shopping account. However, in most versions of the Noon app, these options are not available. That means individual orders typically cannot be deleted from your order history. So if you're trying to remove just one specific purchase, it's important to know that Noon generally does not provide a direct tool for that inside the app. If your goal is to remove all order history completely, the only available option is usually to delete your Noon account. Keep in mind that this is a permanent action that affects more than just your orders. It can also remove your account data, so make sure you understand that before continuing. If you still want to go ahead, open the Noon app or the Noon website. Then go to Account and navigate to Security Settings. This is where account level privacy and security controls are usually located. Inside Security Settings, look for the option labeled Delete Your Account. Tap on it to begin the account deletion process. The app or website may ask you to select a reason for deletion before you can move forward. So choose the option that best matches your situation. After that, take a moment to read the terms shown on the screen. This is an important step because deleting an account can impact access to previous purchases, saved details, and other account-related information. Once you've reviewed everything and you're sure you want to continue, confirm by tapping Delete Your Account. So to summarize, you can start by checking your orders section for any delete, hide, or clear history options. But in most cases, Noon does not allow individual orders to be removed. If you want all order history gone, deleting the entire account is usually the only method available. That's it for this guide. Follow the steps carefully and make sure you're fully ready before confirming account deletion.